Let's check out a few 1996 Chevy Impalas here at Rolling Museums. This was the last body on frame, full-size B-body GM produced. Very popular. With the first ones going into production in 1994, the most popular models being the 96 models. Of course, they had the all black, the dark cherry metallic, and the dark gray green. Essentially built on the 9C1 police package. They had the retuned Corvette LT1 350 engine, a 4L60E 4-speed automatic transmission with the limited slip differential with 308 gears. They all have the detuned LT1 Corvette engine, 350 cubic inches, backed by 4-speed automatics. Gotta love a 96 Impala.